Welcome to the Melt Together show with Nestlé's Aero for baking. I am Lebogang Tlokana, aka the Funny Chef, and I am your host as we melt together unlikely combinations with our guests and our recipes. In the Melt Together kitchen, Nestlé Aero for baking is the star of the show. It's pretty sad that it's not me, but that's okay. She is the girl she thinks she is, and she is perfect for baking.
I really love pap and stew.
Matlametlu. It's a frog. I'm from Limpopo. We eat frogs that side.
On today's episode, we're going to be making caramel chocolate popcorn clusters. Yes, we're going to also add Nestlé's Aero for baking. I've got my two guests here and we're going to have a good time because they're going to bake it off. On my left, I have fellow foodie and cook, Luyanda. And on my right, I have a professional comedian, Mashabela. Are you stressed?
No, I'm not stressed. But why are we playing with food?
So, I don't think we're playing with food. We're making food interesting because this show is all about twists.
So this is a popcorn that went to private school.
Okay. Already, Mashabela?
I can read. Yeah. Okay.
I get Are we ready?
Ready to go.
Okay, so I see more.
So I'm gonna start by adding my popcorn, my caramel, my chocolates, and then I'm gonna finish that off with some cumin, mix that together, and yeah.
In the fridge we go.
Exactly.
Let's do it.
The caramel goes in. Give it a mix.
Okay.
I'm going to add in my Nestlé Aero chocolate for baking.
Yes,
which is melted.
And it's smooth, isn't it?
Nice and smooth. So I'm just going to mix that together and coat the popcorn with all the chocolates. Then I'm going to just fafaza with some cumin, not too much. And then I'm just going to shape this into my popcorn clusters. So this is what I'm doing.
Amazing.
Sweet and savory is always nice when it comes together.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to finish this by sprinkling the cumin.
Cumin, yes.
My ingredient, my secret ingredient.
Okay, your twist.
My twist.
I'm going to leave you and I'm going to move forward. Are
Yeah, now I'm gonna go straight to the point. Ne?
Yes.
We are here because of dyeing the popcorn. Okay. Chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, candied ginger.
Yes.
But yeah, but make sure I spread so that you can cover the popcorn.
all the bits and pieces.
Yeah. So no quick I mix it.
Yeah, so
Before
Yes.
Before kitlochela chocolate.
Yes.
So make sure it covered each and every corner. This is the final stage before you go fridge.
Okay.
To do the bolwan. It's up to you. So after more reach go fridge.
Okay.
Yeah. Redo then go fridge.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why No, this is
No,
mine.
that's not yours. No.
This is definitely mine.
Shall we do it together?
Let's do it.
Okay. Just a party in my mouth. The chocolate is quite smooth,
Are you getting the cumin?
actually. The end kick, it's right there. And it really does balance out the sugar. Well done, very well done. Are we gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. The crunch. That's the ginger. This is actually fantastic. I have to choose my winner. You're amazing. You're a great cook.
But
But she won.
you took a bite and you smiled.
Guys, had so much fun. I bet you guys had fun. Did you guys not?
So much fun. Thank you.
That's it for today. Thank you for joining. Join us next time on our Melt Together show with Nestlé's Aero for baking.
That's my line.
Okay. Follow us on the YouTube page, Nestlé's Aero for baking.